leg, I twist myself in there. Now,
Okay.
I land in there. Now, okay, this happened most of the time,
Yeah.
especially the yoga teacher or even the lady. They can touch good, no problem. Didn't feel anything.
Mm-hmm.
I ask you anything,
A little feeling.
but no much.
Not
But
much.
if you find something, a rock, a wood, see,
Mm-hmm.
it's away now. Oh, but I use my knee.
Mm-hmm.
Use my knee to block. Now it's flying, floating.
Okay.
Even if you give tiny bit of power, so you're gonna feel something.
Mm-hmm.
Just feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you use a little bit power, so you're gonna feel something.
It just feels better. It
Right.
just feels more.
But with this one, you use some chest. I use chest.
Mm-hmm.
I use my bicep. No. I just stay there. I call it
Ah.
reclining or sleeping Vishnu. Remember, you have to be lazy. Reclining or sleeping Vishnu. This is the first version, like the easy version. Stay there, right there. Hold it 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you know, I don't care. And you can move it. But the next version, if you want it like heavier,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I'm doing? I stand this leg.
Oh, and then you can push.
Now I can use that leg to push myself
Yeah,
down further.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You see that?
Mm-hmm.
But if I want more, I stretch the whole leg, which is I extend my leg. I stretch all my leg. With this one, you sleeping like the whole reclining, the whole body reclining.
How's that feel?
So you're gonna get much more.
Is that more?
Yeah, it does. That feels a lot more. Yeah.
See that? Reclining. You don't need to do anything, just sleeping.
Feels so good on my hamstring. Like.
That's
wow.
right. I can move up and down, you know.
Like that. Oh.
But if I want